Horses out, we have Sangang Daan. Pass to begin, Shanana. Security King, down inside is Tony. Tony. Pot Slab, about 5 wide. Then followed by Muralya. Comes next, Jasper Keeps. Alongside Class Act, Jamal and Babes Magic. Is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Security King. By our lane can happen in second. Now is Shanana. Down inside third, Tony. Then followed over by Sangang Daan. Moving up, Pot Slab on the outside, Pipa. Jasper Keeps now down inside 6. Muralya, Babes Magic, Lexac, and Jamal. And it's still Security King by our lane Kanehapa. Shanana, Tony, Jasper Keeps is down inside. Security King moving up down inside. Now is Jasper Keeps. Shanana, Sangang Daan. Security King, Shanana, Jasper Keeps in between horses. As they come down at the last 150. Shanana, Jasper Keeps, Sangang Daan moving up, Pot Slab on the outside. Shanana, Jasper Keeps, Sangang Daan is on the outside. Shanana, Jasper Keeps down on the inside. It's now Jasper Keeps, followed now by Class Act, and finally Jasper Keeps. Class Act, Sangang Daan, then comes Shanana, Babes Magic, Pot Slab, Security King, Muralya, Jamal, and Tony.